Welcome to Magitools. In this quick tutorial, we are going to have a look at how to export your designs from After Effects with a transparent background. Knowing how to export your projects from After Effects with a transparent background is extremely important because more often than not, the effects that you're creating in After Effects are meant to be layered on top of other video footage. And in order to do so, you obviously need to export your effects with a transparent background. Now, here's how you do it. To export anything from After Effects with a transparent background, please click on File in the top menu and then select Export followed by Add to Render Queue. And the output module settings will pop up. Now there, under Video Output, under Channels, change from RGB to RGB plus Alpha and click on OK. Now, in case you would like to adjust the name of the file that you're exporting, you can do that here by clicking on the name that is displayed here next to Output 2, and then you could simply adjust the name. And once that is done, the left step for us to take is to click here on Render, and then our file will be exported with a transparent background. And you will then be able to easily use your footage and effects on top of other footage because the background will be gone, so you can just easily layer it on top of any other video footage. And that's it, guys. This is how you export from After Effects with a transparent background. Now, I hope you guys have a great day and hopefully see you soon. Bye.